Crikey, mate. We are now in the pond. Hey, you're stealing my crocodile hunter accent. Shut up, Amelia. Look at the duck. Now, look at this. Where is it? I can't find it. Oh, found it. Let's see if we can get a closer view. Excuse me, duck.
Hi, Beth. Hi, Joe.
Hi. I mean, crikey.
Gorgeous. Yeah, this thing has crappy.
Up. It's walking away. Look at it hunt. It's about to go in for the kill. It's going in for the kill.
Ow, ow, ow. Are you filming too?
Yes. That's okay.
That's a little less fuzzy. What are you filming?
I'm filming it hunting. Why? What are you filming? Oh.
Filming it hunting?
That duck is annoying. It's just
Goodbye,
standing
duck.
there. Go into the water, duck.
Oh.
Look at the duck.
Look at my look.
Standing there.
Look at my looking at the duck.
Oh man, that's pretty exciting. And it's not doing anything. Dang it, why didn't we get the other one under camera? You scared it away, Amelia. What if it hunts the duck?
It's not gonna hunt the duck. It's not. Look at its feet. It's not gonna hunt the duck. It's gonna do the duck.
It could hunt the duck.
It will not hunt the duck.
Here it
Look at that.
comes.
It's really huge. Look how gorgeous it is. Look at that. Oh, I think it sees its target again.
Now watch it come eat us.
Well, it can't let the tadpoles like see its movement, because then they'll scatter.
Yeah, I think it's eating tadpoles.
What if it hunts the
There's a
turtle?
couple of orange. Hey, what happened to the orange fishes in here?
The
Maybe they
koi?
switched the ponds.
Goldfish?
Maybe it ate the fish. It was
Aw.
like koi fish or something.
You need to get this water like running through again. It's really gross.
Yeah, I think they did, but no, there's not enough. It's very.
Oh, look at the duck. It feels the suspense. This is a really
The
crappy
duck is just like watching.
Australian. Oh, wait.
Crikey!
Crikey.
Crikey.
I think that's
Isn't
so
it a
sad how
beaut?
he
I
died.
know. Poor Steve Irwin. You know,
I
he
know,
died
and he had
doing
like
what he
a
loved.
kid.
He was
Well,
a
yeah,
captain
that's
of a
like
British giant.
a good cause. I mean, not a cause, but
That
like
was cool.
it's so
I
cool
like
when
the
it stretches
bird.
its neck. Yeah, it's just really
Eyes are
cool
really
to
pretty,
watch.
even though it's red. It's kind of creepy, but it's like
It's got
intriguing.
red eyes.
Shall we go in for a closer?
I want to go in for a closer look.
I took a step forward there.
I took a sneak forward.
And now it's walking away. Maybe it also eats bugs. Maybe we'll eat the mating thingy
No,
thing.
no, 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 no. Oh, the
What?
mating
Let's
dragonflies.
Think about mating dragonflies.
Oh, it's swimming.
Yeah, one time
Oh,
I
I
was
think it sees
little
its
and I
target.
didn't know any better, and these two bugs were like mating, and I just thought they were stuck together. So I'm like, I need to help them, so I separated them, and then they flew away, and I'm like, whoops.
Wait, when was this?
Eating
When I was
something.
little. No, he
It's like
wasn't.
Move its jaw, and it's like.
I think
No,
it is eating
it's-
something. No, or maybe it's anticipating.
Well, maybe it's like just storing it, like
oh, like that, like,
galls
yeah.
or whatever.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, this is like 4 minutes of nothing.
I
We missed the
know.
first time it was hunting. Maybe it's intimidated by the cameras. Don't be camera shy. Oh,
Okay.
beaut.
We'll
Camera
film
loves
other
you.
stuff. Amelia's boob.
Hey, I'm filming your boob then.
No. Grr.
I love how the duck is coming over to watch us.
The duck is intrigued by us, like we're intrigued by the bird.
Here's how the butt
Tree. Look at the tree. Glorious tree. Look at how beautiful the tree
What a
is.
beaut.
Now
Oh, look, there's a Josephine behind the tree.
Oh man, a Josephine.
Ah.
It's so ugly. Look at it. It's crossing the bridge, taking its time.
Oh, wow, what a beaut. Oh, God.
Oh, it hopped onto the rock.
Darn it, we missed it. Hopped onto the rock.
Stupid duck.
Ducky.
Ducks are so silly.
I was looking at Josephine.
All they do is quack.
Oh, it spotted prey. What?
It's going to hunt the Josephine. Look at it. Look at it.
Dude, we should do like a Blair Witch Project thing, like, get out, get out!
Oh yeah.
You know, like black and white. The bird.
There's a bee!
Look at it run in terror from its
Oh,
predator.
no.
I lost
Lost
her.
sight
Found
of
it.
prey.
Look at as she tenderizes the ground to make her nest. She's about to go into the pond. Will she go into the pond?
Oh, she spotted her prey.
What's her prey? Humping? Look
Okay,
as she
enjoy.
delicately humps the air. I wonder what kind of sound that bird makes. Caw-caw, caw-caw. I think I scared it away. That's the sound it makes. Did you hear that high-pitched thing? Oh wait, maybe that was a different bird. It sounds sort of like it. Birdie. Nope. That's a different bird. Whoa, look! Hummingbird! It's just hovering right there. Hummingbird? Look at it. Where'd it go? Dang. Aw, you guys scared it away. Wait, which tree is it in, you guys? Ugh. See, the duck is so stupid, it's following you. Which tree is it in? Oh, I found it. Do you see it? I don't see it. Turtle? Do you see the turtle?
Hi, Beth.
Hi, Amelia. Wait. Turtle? Look at the turtle.
Okay,
See the turtle. Okay. Ending with the Josephine.